think we will really find the wolf today?
Of course. My instincts never fail.
I feel something watching us.
Good. Let it come.
What if it attacks from behind? That would make it too easy. I'll distract it. You aim for the chest when it lunges. No! Now! Close, it means we can corner it. Tell me what to do. I'm ready. I think.
Just throw when I say throw. Hey, over here.
Be careful. White, throw it now. Don't let it recover. Did we get it? It's stronger than before. Stronger or not, we finish this now. It's coming! Black! Are you okay? Stay back! Over my dead body! Did we really defeat it? Your darkness holds no power here! Face us! Hey! Ugly smoke beast! Over here! I said look at me! Is it finally over? That blast! You nearly blew up the entire mountain! Why are there so many? Don't let them escape into the forest! We'll lose them! Ah! No! It's absorbing everything! Then we hit it even harder! Together! Take that, smoke brain! Black! Above you! Like I'm letting you! We need to finish it before it grows again! It's cracking!